On to other news now. Brace for water restrictions. That warning from the National Water Commission, NWC, months before the summer of 2021. In addition to explaining the early warning this year, the entity gave an update on current and upcoming measures to address water issues in sections of the island.
For the past few years, the NWC implemented water restrictions in May in response to reduced rainfall in summer months. It's now February, and the entity is already telling consumers to brace for changes in their water supply.
What this means is that we're going to be having restrictions, we're going to be having regulations.
The warning was given during the entity's online quarterly press briefing on Wednesday. Speaking with TVJ News after, NWC's corporate communications manager, Andrew Cannon, explained the reason behind the early warning this year.
We are not getting the type of rainfall that we need. So as a result, a number of our systems are not at the capacity that we would want them to be when the drought season hits. So the drought is coming, and our customers should bear in mind that conservation should be the buzzword, and they must bear that in mind from now.
Over the past decade, water restrictions have been implemented yearly because of drought. Although this is always attributed to reduced rainfall, inefficient distribution, waste, and theft have also been linked to the shortfall. Vice President in charge of engineering, Garth Jackson, says the non-revenue water reduction program has almost eliminated theft and waste in the corporate area by fixing leaking pipes and bringing unregistered users onto the system. Plans are now in place to extend the program into southern St. Catherine.
We have actually achieved significant reductions from approximately 60% non-revenue water when we started 5 years ago to we're now at about the economic level of non-revenue water, we're about 30%.
We're doing a massive non-revenue water project in Portmore, St. Catherine as we speak. What we found is that given the growing population of the municipality, and also given the network, there needs to be implemented this non-revenue water solution. In addition to that, though, we have targeted what we call socially challenged areas in Portmore. These are areas where there are difficulty because of economic circumstances, where persons are, for example, not registered users of the NWC. We are dealing with those communities.
Mr. Cannon has also warned other persons in Portmore who have not been paying for the water they use to take the initiative to get regularized. Herman Green, TVJ News.